Most people think you need a six-figure salary to save six figures. They're wrong. I accidentally discovered that 8 small habits did more for my net worth than 5 years of hard work. And no, this isn't about giving up coffee. This is about a system so quiet, so boring, that the richest person I know uses it while eating takeout on a Tuesday. Here's the truth that changed everything for me. Under $100,000, you do all the heavy lifting. Above $100,000, the money starts pulling its own weight. Let me show you. A 10% return on $5,000, that's $500. One nice dinner. But a 10% return on $100,000, that's $10,000. Habit number 1, the subscription audit. Most people think they spend $86 a month on subscriptions. The real number? $219. That's $2,600 a year gone for apps you don't open. Once per quarter, I sit down, line by line. I kill anything I haven't used in 30 days. One viewer did this and found $47 per month in dead weight. That's $564 back in his pocket every year for 10 minutes of work.
Wait, stop. If you take nothing else from this video, hear this. Most financial advice wants you to grind harder. These 8 habits let you leak less. Because you don't have an income problem, you have a hole in the bucket problem. And habit number 2, this one is so stupidly simple, you'll be angry you didn't start years ago. Habit number 2, the takeout rule. I never say no eating out. That's miserable and fake. But I banned delivery fees. That $14 burrito becomes $24 after delivery, tax, tip, and the convenience fee. The gap? $10 per order. If you order 3 times a week, that's $120 a month, $1,440 a year. That's not a burrito. That's a Roth IRA contribution. Instead, I walk, or I pick up on the way home. The food tastes better, and I keep the $10. Habit number 3 is so underrated it's almost illegal. The Shoebox Strategy. Open an HSA, health savings account. Most people use it wrong. They spend the money on doctors today. Big mistake. Instead, pay for medical expenses out of pocket. Save every receipt. Put them in a shoebox. Invest the HSA money in the stock market. Let it grow tax-free for 20 years, then reimburse yourself from those old receipts. No tax on the way in, no tax on the way out, no tax on the growth. That's not an HSA, that's a stealth IRA. Habit number 4, the 80-20 Windfall Rule. Bonuses, tax refunds, gifts from grandma. Most people spend 100%. Smart people invest 80% and spend 20% guilt-free. Let's say you get a $5,000 bonus, $4,000 invested, $1,000 on something stupid and fun. You get the dopamine hit and the wealth build. No deprivation, no shame, just a system. Habit number 5, the one-day delay. Every non-essential purchase over $50, you wait 1 day. That's it. 90% of the time, you forget it. The 10% you still want, you buy it. But now you know it's not impulse, it's intention. Habit number 6, pay yourself first, automatically. Not what's left over, first. The day your paycheck hits, 10% disappears into investments. You never see it. You never miss it. Humans are bad at willpower, but we're great at automation. Set it once, forget it. Watch it grow. $500 a month automated at 8% returns for 10 years, that's $91,000 without thinking. Habit number 7, the $1 rule. Before buying anything over $20, ask, will I use this at least once per dollar spent? $50 shoes, 50 uses. $200 jacket, 200 wears. If the answer is no, you don't need it. This stopped me from buying gym equipment I'd never touch, kitchen gadgets I'd use once, and clothes that sit in the closet. It's not cheap, it's honest.
Habit number 8, the monthly wealth date. 1 hour, same day every month. You check your net worth. Not to obsess, to witness. You look at your accounts. You see what went up. You see what leaked. You make one small adjustment for next month. That's it. The people who reach 100K don't check daily. They check monthly with a cup of coffee, like a quiet ritual, because what gets measured grows.
You don't need all 8 habits. You need one. Pick one habit from this video. Install it this week. Not next month, not tomorrow, this week. And here's my challenge to you. Comment below with the dollar amount you plan to redirect this week. Maybe it's $47 from a subscription. Maybe it's $120 from delivery fees. Maybe it's $4,000 from a bonus. Say the number out loud. Type it in the comments. That tiny act of commitment, that's how 100K starts. Hit that subscribe button, not because YouTube will recommend me, but because every week I'm going to show up with one more habit, one more leak to patch, one more step from flat broke to free. And I want you in the comments next week, not as a lurker, as a builder. See you next video.